Hi everyone! Today I want to show you a quick macrame hack on how you can untie your double half hitch knots fast if you ever need to redo a section in a wall hanging or start over, and this will help you save your ropes and not have to cut them off and waste them. Now the quick way to do is you take your leading rope and you find the very start of it, and you're going to pull on that so that you can just yank it and pull it through all the double half hitch knots you just tied it around. Just like that. Now if you ever have trouble pulling out your leading rope a little bit, you can take a crochet hook to help you pull on it at the very start so that you're able to then grip it with your fingers and yank it through. This saves you a lot of time rather than just untying each knot like this. Instead of doing it that way, you just yank, pull it through, and it saves you a lot of time if you ever have to start over on a project. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.